Hello parents, I apologize for not being able to join you at back to school night, but I wanted to make sure that you got all the information that you would have gotten had I been able to be here. So this is for the Calculus 3 with Differential Equations course. First of all, I want you to know students can expect to get homework almost every night, and we will correct it the following class. While students don't turn in their homework, it is worth grade. It's an effort grade. As long as I see that they've done the assignment, and I'll walk around, I check to make sure they've completed it at the end of each day, or at the beginning of each class, excuse me, then they'll get credit for that. The grade is based mostly on tests, so we don't really have quizzes for this class. So other than the homework, really the only way the students can do things that affect their grades would be on the tests. So this class is a little different than a lot of others because students are able to get college credit for having taken this class. The credit will be through Cal State San Marcos, their extension program. They would be getting a transcript from the university just like any other student. As we get closer to, or as we get further along in the semester, I will make sure that I pass on any information to you about how to sign up for these units. There's a cost associated with it. It's I believe it's $200 for the first semester and $150 for the second semester, plus a $15 charge each semester. The $15 is for transcripts, but then students can order transcripts without any additional cost later on. The units are optional. They're entirely up to you, and certainly as we get further along in the year, the students will know where they're planning to go to school, and will certainly be able to know whether or not they the school that they're going to will accept these units. So that'll certainly be a question to ask colleges as students are applying to them. Okay. The question always comes up, how can you help your students? Well, unless you've got a degree in math or engineering, probably not a whole lot for this course, which is fine. Certainly encourage them to form study groups. And also encourage them to come in. I'm around at lunch. I'm here after school. Certainly encourage them to come in and ask questions, because I'm very happy to help them and to answer their questions. I do use School Loop. All the grades are posted on School Loop. Also, I use the School Loop calendar so that students can see their own, all the assignments for my class. Also, please keep in mind, you can sign up for your own account for School Loop. And that would be separate from the student. It allows, first of all, it allows you to view their grades and assignments for any class. But also makes it a whole lot easier for you to communicate directly with me and vice versa. So definitely sign up for your own account for School Loop. I believe the only information you need is their student ID number, so you can get that from there. In addition to School Loop, and this is something that I'm not sure many other teachers do, lessons can be downloaded from my personal website. It's called rosenmath.com. Oops, sorry. It's called rosenmath.com, and if I bring that up, here it is right here. And so you can contact me from here or from School Loop. If you click on Calculus 3 with Differential Equations, this is the entire first semester. Every assignment we've got, everything we're doing each day, when the tests are, and notice that each of these is a link. Each of those is the lesson for that day. I do all my lessons on PowerPoint, and I write on the PowerPoints using my smartboard, and I save all that writing and I put them on the website. So anytime a student wants to see what we did that day, if they're ever absent or maybe they just missed something in class, all they have to do is click on the link, download the PowerPoint, and they've got all the information. They don't need to ask me what they missed. They don't need to ask a friend for notes. They've got all the information right there. By the way, this policy sheet here is a PDF version of the sheet the students got on the first day of school. Now, I didn't ask them to sign it to get a parent signature, but if you would like to see what my policies are or anything, you can go to my website, click on policy sheet, and you will see everything that you need to know about this class. That is all the information that I was planning on presenting at Back to School Night. If you have any questions, please feel free to call me at the phone number on rosenmath.com. You can also email me from there or through School Loop. Whatever, I'm happy to answer any questions. Please feel free please feel free to contact me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I look forward to teaching your students this year. It promises to be a good year. Thank you very much.